first formula for today's practical, which I discussed just now, gross reproduction rate, summation female birth in ith age group divide female population in ith age group multiply 1000 multiply width of age group. This yellow circle is nothing but age specific fertility rate for female multiply width. This formula and NRR, very small change, that is the drawback of GRR overcome by NRR. This is taken as extra. What this pi I represent? It represents survival factor of that female child until age of reproduction rate. So GRR, we assume all the female children are alive till their fertility age, that means 18 to 45. That is a drawback of GRR, which is overcome by NRR. So on the basis of these two formulae, we are studying today's practical. Let us see questions and solution. This all theory you can read and try to understand. Now today's first question, you have to write in your journal example 1. Calculate GFR, ASFR, TFR, GRR, NRR. What is GFR? It is general fertility rate, age specific fertility rate, total fertility rate, gross reproduction rate, net reproduction rate. The data given age group 15, 19 till 44. It is assumed this is the age group where we can consider female population is liable to bear a child. That's why these age groups are considered. Under this age group, how many female population that is recorded? In that age group, how many births are occurred total, male, female together? What is the survival factor of female child till fertility age? That is always between 0 and 1. It is a probability, chance. Consider proportion of female birth 0.48, and after getting the value of NRR, you have to interpretation whether population has inclined trend or decline trend. Growth will be increasing or decreasing. This is example 1. Example 2. Here you have to calculate GRR, NRR directly. Here you calculate all measures. Example 3. GFR, ASFR, TFR, GRR, NRR, assuming sex ratio at birth 105 males, 200 females. Age group, number of women in thousands, so this multiply by thousands. Number of births survival factor. We'll try to solve one by one. This is the solution for question 1. Column number 1 from the data, age group, female population in that age group, number of birth together, male and female, age specific fertility rate, formula total birth in that group divided by female population in that group multiply by 1000. This is abbreviated as ASFR. Calculation 180 divided by 9000 multiply by 1000. 20. So this divided by this column multiply by 1000. Next is survival factor given in the question, write in the column. Survival factor pi I multiply ASFR, this is your next column. So this is a calculation table which required getting the answer of all type of rates. GFR, general fertility rate. Total birth together male female, total female population multiply 1000. This is a total birth. This is a total female population. Answer is 68.8973. TFR, width of the age group, sum of ASFR, this is ASFR. I think this is ASFR. So TFR is 5 multiply 410. What is 5? Width of the age group. This is your age group. Number of years included. This is an inclusive type of classification. Both numbers are included. 40 to 44, there are 5 years. So this is your TFR. GRR, gross reproduction rate. Formula is proportion of female birth given in the question multiply TFR. Answer is 984. NRR, proportion of female birth, width of age group, summation ASFR into survival factor, this total. Multiply 5, multiply proportion. So finally you get NRR 883.92. By using this number, you have to make interpretation. NRR per woman is, it is for 1000, so divide by 1000, 0.88392, which is less than 1. So population has a decline trend. So population growth is decreasing on the basis of this data. Now you have question number 2 solution. Mortality rate is given in the question. So survival factor is 1 minus mortality rate. Sometime to confuse the student, data is given in terms of mortality rate. So your formula not depend on mortality rate, it depends on survival rate. So survival factor is 1 minus mortality rate. That thing should be remembered. So I get survival factor as 1 minus mortality rate because survival plus mortality equal to 1. Make the calculation table similar to your example 1. Column number 1, age group. Again, data is inclusive type. So number of years is 5. Female population, female birth. In example 1, total birth were given. Here female births are given. Here female ASFR. Survival rate 1 minus mortality denoted by pi I. Female ASFR multiplied by pi I. You can perform the calculation according to these headings. Make the total. This represent female population. This represent female birth. This represent female ASFR. And this represent ASFR multiply survival factor. So you have GRR formula, width of the age group into summation of female ASFR, that is 76.5. NRR, width of the age group, summation female ASFR into pi I, the last column. Again, NRR is 339.4 per thousand. If I want to speak for per woman, divide by 1000. Again, this number is less than 1, population is decreasing. If it is greater than 1, population is increasing. That is to be remembered. This is the solution for question number 3, which is given on the top. Outline of the table is parallel. Age group, number of female, population. In the question, it is per thousand written and data is 500. So I multiply 1000 there. So these all 3 zeros from our side. Number of births, BI, that is a total birth. ASFR equal total birth in the group, female population in the group, multiply 1000. This column divided by this column, multiply 1000. Survival factor, this product multiply this equal to this. Here equal sign is forgotten. After having the total of respective, this is a total female, this is a total birth, this is total of ASFR, and this is a total of ASFR multiply survival factor. GFR, summation of total birth, summation of female population into 1000, answer is this. TFR is a correction term into summation ASFR. C for correction term, that is adjusted with width of the age group, that is 5. So it is a total fertility rate. GRR is a proportion of female birth multiply TFR. In the question number 3, it is given male are 100, male childs are 100, and female childs are 105. This is wrong. So make a correction. You can see the example 3. The data says ratio of male to female, 105 males to 100 females. It is not 205. That is a mistake only in the printing mistake. Calculation is based on 105. You can verify. So it should be 105. It is a female proportion, female ratio per 1000. So you get this as GRR. NRR is proportion of female birth. Again, there is a mistake. It should be 105 into width of the group into summation ASFR into pi I by taking survival factor under study. Usually NRR is smaller than GRR. Now in this case, if I want to make interpretation by using NRR, I divide this number by 1000, it comes 1.348. So example 3 data says NRR per woman greater than 1. So population has increasing trend. So population growth will be increased if the data is in this way. In example 1, example 2, population has a decline trend, but in third example, population has incline trend. That is the interpretation. That is the end of your GRR practical, NRR practical.